This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink text to a phone number in Google Docs. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Google Docs. I have a little example project I'm working on here to hyperlink text to a phone number in Google Docs. It's very easy to do. Say that this phone number right here, I wanted to make it into a clickable link, a hyperlink. First thing you want to do is highlight the text that you want to hyperlink. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm going to drag across that text to where I have it highlighted. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the little chain icon. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Insert Link. I'm going to click on Insert Link. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, in this little search box, you want to type this formula right here. You want to start off with tell, colon, followed by the country code. I live in the United States. My country code is 1. Followed by the area code, followed by the 7-digit phone number. Then you want to go off to the right here and click on Apply. Now as you can see, that phone number has become a hyperlink. If I click on that phone number, it tells me that it's hyperlinked to this phone number right here, the one that I put in there. To test this phone link, you can either click right here on this, or you can put your mouse cursor over the hyperlink, hold down the Alt key, and press Enter while you're holding down the Alt key. Now it opens the phone app on my computer, and the phone number that I had hyperlinked it to is right here. That is how to hyperlink text to a phone number in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.